A walk-in clinic with 2 doctors and a full waiting room. And the only tool behind it is a Google Sheet. No app, no developer, no apps script. Reception types one thing, the patient's name, picks the doctor from a drop-down, and taps checked in. That's the entire front desk job. Behind the scenes, the sheet is watching how long each doctor actually takes per patient today and using that real number to estimate everyone's wait. Every waiting patient gets a live position and a wait estimate in minutes, recalculated the moment the doctor calls the next name. Put this tab on a TV in the waiting room, and patients read their own status off the screen. No one has to ask the front desk. Formulas, checkboxes, and one shared sheet. Make your own copy and run it in your own clinic today.